Me as somebody who has a high integrity level, somebody who has high technical level, somebody who believes in the count of Kitui and who can bring the best outside the box to ensure that we have those positions.
Oingi ukunikiliwe na nyakana memba ya ondeme na miaka yulwa miongo 5 kwambata na ingi ondeme na ndusi abakuvi na ngavana kaundi ya Kitui na ingi mumete misini ya tongu ya nene kaundi ya Kitui.
I'm engineer Steven Nguli from Mingwani. Years of age.
My name's Jacinta Mwendwa, and professionally CPA Jacinta Mwendwa. Being a CPA, I'm a certified public accountant of Kenya. That's why I have that denomination as CPA. I am a wife to Honorable Kele Mwendwa, and I'm a mother of 2.
Wanakuithwa mathangu moka na mautuika matena maukulio kana nzika yulwa mawela mekwenda ni wana nyomunene kana ni mauthese wanene mawendi muika la matena mawia valikano kana mwaka muthilu mwini wa 3 muika ni methumirilia va Kenya na gurete mnyanyayo kana kisiose ukwata mawia serikali ni sionthe.
My net worth is estimated at around 150 million, and this is in the form of land. I own land in Mafoko. I own land, 5 acres and plots. I also own some flats in Mafoko. In other words, apartments in Mafoko. I also own that. I own a house in Nairobi also, which is worthy of 30 million, where I stay. And I think that is something else that I own. I don't count vehicles because those are depreciating. But I also own a lot of land in Kiamatu. I think I would be talking about not less than 1,800 acres if it were to be estimated, and I do ranching.
Zameno yikwatiwa kumanya livoti na withianu na utwika mwanu yolua welua ya molotetwe na kuvumilia mbewa mbungi ya kaunti ya Kitui itina wa kusiokia sikalo siayo itina wa kumothio mwone.
Nothing but the truth.
Mutongo TV nyeni toboni mutesia.
Ibindani ye maundu ma kisomo mande kwekumbulwa ne mawuita manyiwa alamete kulika imanyisione nene ila si akiobundi ni mende kutumia ebuso yu na indi yangu somenge wengi kipathoka niusu ningunengelelia amanyiwa miongo 3 kuma wodini ya Kithumula Mutonga ila Kitui West alama umete mesini elambinyi ke ukwati ne makwata mevothi kana mevothi wa Kimanza cha silingi ngilima na 3 kuma kwe kikundi cha Kikwamo Environmental Conservation kila kithitwe kithosia kithanga theusini waka uiko kwata mbo kisomo cha manyiwasu Matongo iwe ni mwene kivila wa kikundi ki Phyllis Nzusane maweta kana kikundi ki kiendea na kukwata mbau mawalanyo kisione kie kutethesia mwene nthi wa ukwati munini kuoneka na uthukumi wacho wala maweta kana kisomo mekinenga mwanya wambe kumana na maumo alame bwilete kisio kia yenda enenthi kukwata mbau ikundi ila si utethia kisio mate kusio kita. Onesmus
AIC Mutongu ni Girls Secondary School.
Kikundi chake kwa muna kila kikuna vyasala wothosia kithanga thiusini waka wiki tuichothulwana wa swene cha nenge amanywa miongo 3 basarisi ya Kimanza cha silingi ngilimana 3 kuma mesini la mbinyeki ukwati. Kwene na mwene kivila kikundi ki Phyllis Nzulani waweta kana kumana na uchapa na munyola wikumbili kisio kicha kwa
pesa isu twinacio tunenga na embasali ngilimana 3 na miongo 5 twanengesiana miongo 3 basali kila kana kakwatite ngili 5 tunatumia nzia ya pasiana sia secondary school itwaya kwa muno tatunosi sionde ila sia secondary na tuongela sia na sia polytechnic ile where this application kana the imayu ne process yana sionde na kilimo tunatumia yonzi Yesu na tuitumia tuneria na ma admin maitu na assistant chief situ kwitha ne tu makulia nundu asiana nundu kuila sia ambi na ingite na si twainenga suo
kisio kienende aingi methito maithengesa vyasala wothosia wa kithanga thibala matuthu kukwata mbau kundi la siotethesia mwene nthi na ingi kikundi kicha weta kana nikikwendea kukwata mbau mwalanyo ma kisio kino kana kukwata tethio
wala mana binga kithanga thiki muno twase no kulea kwithia meno mani na undu umwe mana sia mali simbesa sieka hata isu sioswa na mundu ni watu ogitwa maelezia mbesa undu siika nundu twi nacio na tusiandikite cheki na mbesa situ mbesa ilika mokoni tunenga akaunti weke akaunti-ini ito icheki kioso mbesa akaunti-ini.
Nake mungami wa Mbosi ile utandithia wa kithangathi wendeva akaunti-ini yake tu Benjamin Mwanzi amwetakana nimekite mitalatala ya kwikithia Mbosi na nangwa ni utavi wa kithangathi vala mawetakana kithangathi kitawa kwenda na mwe ola wikito ni serikali ya akaunti yake tu.
Ndio mambo grupu ni kwa kithangathi Mbosi ni situ siambe kuregister with the same kundi recognized na serikali na si join katika cooperative nikaenda basi mimi katika cooperative in return personalize yoga katika that community na maitumia kwa kaisio either no kwithia bekiwu kikitwa bandu nemendo kusia mwene nthi kana maundu magisomo ona kubikia mobisi ni maituma machief ukithia obisi ni wono tona kwithia utekiwu no besi no icio gikawa matangi na kila tona kwazinika na masiuko wala mekosela kiwu mekosela kithangathi no baga enenthi group ila yabo nzameso isisie no tuwe kumatwina nema nikende zigude eda kithangathi ni chao tabo muno nema ni negatemea kana ni twaile kwamba kwetesi uko yu twathie ngi nikenda jambo kuongeleka twisuvia water conservation.
One mwomosi na ola mwana wa vikiana kukwata mubathi wa visi wetakana ni wa vikiana kwetetheka banene na kwenda enenthi kukwata mbau mwahala nyota aya no kana kesi yake kunika kwa banene.
Umundu natetekana cheki cha 5,000 cia kana cha skulu tumite kinenganiro ni kwamo kinenganiro ke kwamo ila ya kwatania kuma kilangathini cha useni wa kaui yende na utete ciandu o ineke kutete ciandu kunenge ciana skulu kumanenge liu na kumatethia maundu maingi menye ni umwe mwikali wa useni huko useni usumwa ni umwe wakasomea muteni St. Philip muteni
Televote Avlingwa Mavomo Tongo TV Neta Onesmus Chalo.
Ende nenda kunengela ile langi wangu utabasebindani ye maundu magisomo mande kwikumbula ni kukumbula ni mawito wa manyuala metelete kulika imanyisio nene na ila sia kiobundi ni mande ya kana ni mende ka kutumia ibuso ya kuzu silopia sia kumatele se masomo ni ungua wala ni wa help na coops ni mwito na ukuma kwi mwalimu munene wa kimanyisio cha kiobundi cha katine TTI kwa matungulu mwandu Justin Kanini ulangi wakatha banene tambia serikali ya kateko ikia wewe no na serikali sia motiwa kunyai chailobia sia basari kwa manyiwa ne kwithwa banai na ngusa nisio na ingebe na utalo munene wa manyiwa mekwata sia hoteli kuma kwa serikali yolwa masomo mo Boniface.
Mwalimu Justin Kanini alisekanani usesela la tumeona manyuala matelo likaimanyisioni kivathukanyo nokana kumatethesa nthini wa kwitha maluma maskulu kwitha maundu maki ukwati mekalele ingi na ingi kwitha thithi thewe useseo na inenga manyume onthela mumite misi kivathukanyo ya maukwati kivathukanyo kumanenge maluma maskulu.
Now the ELB portal is open. Also Kenya University Central Placement Service portal is open. I want to encourage the youth to take up this opportunity so that they can apply for their programs in TVET. It is only in TVET where you can choose a program of your choice. Once you apply through COOPS, you are placed not only in Katine but all other TVET institutions. Then you are able to access ELB. Once you access ELB, you are banded in 4 groups. You can be vulnerable, whereby the government pays you almost all the fees and you only raise 5,000 shillings from the household. You can also be placed band 2, where the government pays for you all the fees and you only pay 8,000. Then we have the needy. The needy, they pay 10,000 from the household, where the government pays the other fees. Then lastly, we have the less needy. The less needy, they pay 15,000 from the household or from the parent or guardian.
Ingi ni wakatha vanene wiwano katikati wa serikali nene leska mitiuko wavana ithina yolwa mvango kuneti wanya wilovia sia mpasari hatino maneki ya wiwano no kana serikali ilisi ya kutethia nisa kwa nyilovia ili kuya manyiwa isio nisionthe.
What the government has agreed with county government is very critical because these TVET institutions, they stand in counties and they should form a strong partnership and collaboration where they are supposed to assist the youth. The county government and the national government have agreed to give bursaries to the youth so that they can access TVET education. Also, the government, through His Excellency, Dr. William Ruto, has encouraged that we should have 100% transition to TVET institutions and also to the universities. So the county government has taken a step forward to ensure that they give bursaries to the youth so that they are able to be enrolled in our TVET institutions and also the Katine Technical Training Institute in Matungulu constituency.
Otau niwende ana mathuthia muika kuona vatoa masomo maki uvundi aiwetakana mekerero cha guteithia utalo munene wa manyiwa na muika isione cia Kenya nenge kwa lamwa wa mawea ula wende na ukusi wa va Kenya.
Technical vocational education and training is a valuable resource in education because we are back on skill empowerment to our youth. When the students get a skill, they can get employment to earn their livelihood, and also they can employ others. So most of the times they are employers, they create employment, but they are not job seekers. We have faced challenges with the parents where they feel TVET education is free, especially in fees payment, but I want to assure them TVET is not free. It's only subsidized by the government, where a student can apply help loan and get some scholarship. So the government cannot pay all the fees, but it only assists the parents who are vulnerable, parents who are needy to be able to pay fees. Tuko na wanafunzi 4,685. Hawa wanafunzi wanafanya programs tofauti, both technical and business courses. Tumekuwa na so many challenges because of the growing numbers, especially on infrastructure, but we have gone out of our way to put up structures, especially classrooms, workshops, to accommodate the
Kaunti na Masaku kuma Katine Matungulu nyeni tawaboni Mutesia.
Ni utanuku wa Purity Ngao Momanyo akimanisio chama Machakos Technical for the Blind tina waikundia Francis Mwangangi Foundation kumwebea thie wandevi ya kuendea na masomo. Purity ainena akimanisio ni kiu tina waikundia Francis Mwangangi Foundation ye mwamba na Global Hope Foundation kumwebea fees awe tata utei na wekwati wako minugile masomo maakene kwezi wande na bandu utonya kukwata ilobia siya kuungamia masomo make.
I'm grateful for the Francis Mwangangi Foundation for having cleared my school areas, which has been a long struggle as I had no one to pay the school fees as that for now. But I'm grateful for after involving the foundation, they have made it through the Honorable Francis Mwangangi. I've completed my school areas. Having not been the first time for the foundation to help me in the clearance of the areas, I'm grateful for the organization and the foundation. I'm ready to attend and give the best in school as I'm about to complete. So I'm ready to meet all my dreams and agendas through the foundation assisting me in the clearance of the school areas.
Kundi Francis Mwangangi Foundation hiyo si abato hiyo lona biki ofisini. Ile ngwatanio na Global Hope Foundation na yabikiana kwa sale la mapata ma school fees. Mamuma manyala masomo ya school niyo na kwa wadi ni na umwepa kati wa lama bikiana otetheka na mekwenda na otetheka kwa ibinda ila matialeti. Mekwenda masomo ya school niyo. Francis Mwangangi Foundation ni kundi ungua mapuliwa Deputy Governor wa County ya Masaku, His Excellency Francis Mwangangi. Dele dhiro kumandi ni wakamba uonde, County tatu siya wakamba nipo Masaku Gitina Makueni. Kuteze siya kusomedhia, siya nilasi na pata wa kusomedhia. Na ndomuna kwete maendewa na kukilia ndoa situ. Kute ba kuondoa kuende ya kweka na sante ni waisio situ.
kidogo tu.
Wabwasuma tunenga mwanya twambose mbozi omwone mukube natyo kange.
Ubanga uisanda indi ndwaya wakulume ubanga ni wisikwicha mistali no wichenginya uke rumwe na kukwatia ni undungi
neve tone single 300 na kwenda single 300 mundume pedina
masito nitawa Faith Mwende wewe kalite single
ni kalito 300 ni single tele single 300 lakini 300 kwa time mingi kwa mundume single
300 na numanda omuntu
ni manda mundu tutomoshia single kwa mundu genuine mundu trustworthy
aume namo komata wiwie ni otuma fair ukaiwa akanamo komata liketwe kilasi ne cha character development
mpaka mezo ezo da wambitese kota nenda ziluka
gwete senda kame kwani kwa yeke ya mindoni
kama ile uwe na kola
kwaondoka ni kula sio kwa kilende kwa hii mbesa sia kwa hii
wisa kukwatithia mundu kwendete thayune chawo cha ndoima ni undu wivinya muno kwatiania na Peter Mutuse wa Maunda
Gavana supporta baby sitola mwitana muno mutane indi twenda kuonenge buso tukwete mundu mutako mana ingi maishane
kila wakatano kwambia saa 12 na ndatika miongo na sia iya mawiyo kilungu ni cha mbenzi wiyone au memesi kupindota na aka mesi kupandwa ni ba Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba mbenzi mundu losa kuwa yembe timwini mundu awuyane ona wa munenga yembe yeba emanyula nayo uone tabe musina kana itinga yesi lapo usu ni mundu wesinesa kana umanthi ndwichenga maundu mesite kweta na nonginya mundu akaliuka na evinda
kindu taki kenda passion alafu sainge talanta
nimbunde asia mundu na nimubunde asiata mostly nyando alangu atamakiwia withia ni so green yani mainoman so ni nende awa from mundu lo tena utena kosi ingi kana mundu tekitoke thene na mubunde sia kuma ningu na ketha ena wendi
kondwa kwekethia ni wakwata cha kwitweta obamena kuiba maelo kila twaile kumanya ni kana vaiwia utewa kwiyonea ethiwani wetae vaita ikia vitivyo maunduni maku
niwambia tumangomboka pe kwata
yuyu twebuti bonenge nonie wiyosu inyakondete naguo no uya maseo kwanenda kikomba kainga uomboka kuma spinach
ilobi
maluga la matemange ngoko ngasue yana amobe ya by that time toba onengolo
ala matemange ni meba
tumeta katakata
lensi kana eka komwene kila kenda akeke lakini baadaye nesio endi kwitha ni baba
na ndukiatikile kutulwa ngoni andu niwe wisi vala umite na kula wendete wia ni wia komana nake Steven Mwema kilunguni cha wia ni wia kila wakana kwambia saa 12 na ndatika miongo ena pa Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba
kavindani kaka Christmas ikwatie zuku yako kwa dhoa kuichana yulu dhoa dikodi ya zuku satellite kwa silingi ngiliomwi maana kenda miongo kenda na kenda na full kit ya zuku kwa silingi ngilile maana thandatu Indayambe tukunenga zuku premium free na wikwata signal kila vandu Kenya yonthe tuina packages mbuthu kwa muvuko waku wina silingi maana miongo kenda wiyekwatia zuku smart kwa ula wina silingi maana thandatu wiyekwatia zuku smart plus ula wina ngili umwi yana yemwi na miongo 5 wikwata Asian channels na ula wina ngili umwi maana 5 miongo 49 wikwata zuku premium Ione sports, documentaries, Swahili drama, series na ione ya series kwa wingi. Ndukunu tuina Mutongo TV channel miongo 3 na Weru TV channel miongo 3 tutembelee kwa dila ulawiva kuvinaku wetu kwatia kwisila simu noti ili noti 5 ili noti ili 5 kada kwa website www.zuku.co.ke. only on Zuku.
Ni twasogethia musesi ya kilungu cha miongo monza na kenda yulwaya na kionania uwemi wangu kusia nyama na matumbi wena siendo mbingi tethitwe itwaiwa kana sitwaiwa ndo bailite ni ene yenda on the sector ni kuma kwa muwemi kuvika cia mama tukani thini wa kaunti 5 cia Nairobi Metropolitan hukunekili uwa ikundi ya maundu mamuyana wa uwemi na biasala uya Africa Network for Animal Welfare uyonania kana aimi ingi ala methitwe mayose mabundi sio mailu mako ya nguku kwanzia ila yalete yu methitwe maikwata lato munene biasala ne na maosio mo kuongeleka kwa kilungu kinene.
Another thing, we conduct field activities in production. Yes.
Kwesitwa nitawa Elizabeth mumo kana mauya nini thitwe ni mwimi musio na ngethi angikwata faida ndambete kubundi wa mabundi siano nina tatiene kyangu kutamana 3 lakini nundu akwithia ndesi na ileta kwa kanomba cia kwata cia cia affected wethi yangu kusia kata masomano oyini ni thitwe mwimi musio nina nguku cia matumbi ngili umwe nina nguku cia nama 3.3 mana 3 na at least itakibetiza nyumba no nasia kana nendene sani kwithia ndibo ya mbesa nongwate mbesa sio thi chamani nongwate nzembo yako ya kumya nongwate mbesa sio teja friend yana thina kwa unge waya wimi nenzio.
Jina langu ni Carol Wamboi Kaguru, ninatoka kutoka Kamulu. Nitawapatia ujumbe ya kwamba tuweze kuweka hizi standard ambazo tunafunzwa za kuweka wanyama vizuri na kuzingatia ile afya na ule generally the welfare of the animal ili kuweza kupata mazao bora zaidi.
Based on the findings that we got, only 21% of the farms that we assessed are up to standard with what is required. A big percentage of them, if you can see that 79%, are not abiding with what is required. And if you look even at big hotels, there are some within even the country that have signed commitments, and they've said by a specific time period they will only be sourcing from specific farmers who are environments. So you can see the market is changing as we move along.
But it doesn't mean the quality of the products, whether it's chicken meat or eggs, is bad in any way. It's only that the practices to do with welfare, most of them are not managed. And it's not the farmers mainly, because farmers are not the ones who transport. But at the farm level, most of the farmers were able to comply with the requirements at the farm.
Siyo mubeani munini wa ungithia Charles Muhasia kana bayo ndo batonde kandi ya Kenya ekethe wanaliwa kuyana undu bangire twibika mwaka ni wangile 3 kethe wa aimi na yana yenda mayosa matambia ma ukumbatele wemi wa matukwa Muhasia kana no kwisila na kwisila atandithia ma kimbene kukwata na kuthukuma pamwe na silikali balale wa kuyana utona ukwata kana twibika mwaka ni wangile 3 ayasia ungithia ni umwe kati wa mibango ya silikali ya bottom-up transformation agenda.
The National Irrigation Authority, as I briefed you in my office, we are very committed of ensuring food security in this country. I've just done you through most of the key projects which we are undertaking, and starting with Ngalana, Bura, Moya, Luanzo Irrigation Project, and many other projects across this country, you are aware, under the National Expanded Program, which we are implemented so that we can be able to secure this country and avoid the issue of imports and also tax, safe on the issue of the exchequer and, our exchange rates. The National Irrigation Authority, we remain committed, and we are up to the task to be able to ensure that this country is food secure. Of course, the chairman, maybe before he welcomes you, he will be able to highlight some of the challenges which you have continued to face, and one of them being the issue of financing, the issue of the exchequers, and the budget. But of course, we have also gone out of our way in terms of resource mobilizations to bring on board, other partners through the PPP framework.
National Irrigation Authority is an integral player in the rollout of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. You are aware that we have got 5 thematic areas in our plan, and agriculture is a standalone thematic area, key result area in that plan. Now, with respect to agriculture, it was deemed appropriate that as opposed to finance, we redirect more and more resources to production with specific focus on agriculture.
Ijina kuma nthi ya Tanzania muthenyani wayo umuthi musumbi Dr. William Ruto na wathoka musini munene wa Cairo nthi ya Misiri nthini wa ndambuka ya kisilikali kana state visit nthini wa ndambuka musumbi Ruto yakwatiwa kunenia maundu kivathukanio mevo mangwatanio ya nthi ya Kenya na nthi isu ngwatanio ya kiutandithia na mawiwa na wangi kivathukanio kati wa nthi ino ile.
Minister of Investment, Director of Intelligence, former Prime Minister of Kenya, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Minister of Foreign Affairs, Advisor, Administration, Minister for Environment.
Naende tuimini amanyiwa la mekala na mamutha memwanya kuma maskulu ni mamusingi ba masinga kikumeni kithioko iyani na Servants of Mercy Kanyweni alame subcounty ni masinga ni makwata utethi wamba maliu na siendo sia utumika kuma kwe ikundi ya Doors Foundation mwambelile ikundi wala ni mutongo iwa mwega kwa isi to Benson Zibo ni wamenda tongo iwa bomwana andumango yo lau kwiyumya na kutethezesia na na muno kwisela kusiakia myako itona kuendania na mathina mo Ben Musaunu kutwalese
maine na itina kunyai cha utethio maskulu ni kivathukanyo wodi ni sia masinga ya katinela ya kiva subcounty ni ya masinga atongo ya mamo ikaungwe kundi ya Doors Foundation ni mamenda atongo yova mwanandu mango ya ulau kwiyumilia na kumatethia manyiwa ya mekala na mamutha memwanya kwisila mauteithio kivathukanio yivo kumakia miako mielu ile kuendania na mathina ala mekala namo
ciana ici na mamuda mathuku mao moko itekwarila cia isione twita andu ala matona ku extend utethio wo moke matethie make ocio cikawa ciana ici tona kwigata kuthi yitethia ukethia ci bandu baseo nono nacio ila yusiuthi kwao yu ingi no ngina ciatiwe na alimu mwalimu etha kana bau na indi kana okekwa no kekunindi privacy ya jao yako kwa uti wita no kila mundu uloto no tethi atethi
oingia cia ni mendeka kuweka ovithilela ciana ila cina mamutha memwanya na maiciumilia anduni ni kana ivikie na utetheka
njikulia aciai ala me kijijini na wina kana keba umumba wisi neza kena mathina anuka vita kaumilia kwa skulu nundu tinandu ta Doors ula ni wa Doors Foundation na ile timu yake nituyumetie kuungamantiana cia muthemba ucu andicika nesa
okavindani kaua tongo imaki uteti ni matulo muti ni kuondwa kila mewetwa takutia ni cia manyiwa ya na methi tomayikala mawithio lukoni matema kuendesia
serikali ni alekeleilie pyu ciana isu ati nos nitusenga muno na tuikulia niki na nata nitukatethia andu ala mena wima wa mwi twambite kulwa ni ciana ta isu nikukulia serikali itu serikali nene serikali ya county ite ba ndi pyu yuko isisi ama taumaluka ama kaisoko makose yana kana maneli momekala maisha meba
kwa tuikulia MP ula witu wa Masinga nundu muno muno usikana maundu ma masukulu MCO na mono matethese bala matona nitumakulia malilie ciana isu na mailia muikanaila tuikulia atongo mitumeke kwandarate ana youth mea seithite itono tongoi lakini ti matavya kana utongo inotolika bona nitolika siasani nundu bauni botu tonda kutethia Masinga
aingi no mone ciathara ciambiie sine sa kwambia nundu ng'ombe nicio cionthe ni ndunje na ila ABC ikweza kwacia tulikepo ng'ombe cia mino cia tulunjengi nitwiza kumila tulunjela ditu isiakala tienda na tuthika nesa.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mutongoi TV kumava kauntini ya Masako nyenita wa Ben Mosau.
Ene musezi abauni twabika muthia wa Vilingi wa Mauvo mwendoni wa saa 1:30 nita wa Steven Mwema tu na Sharon Dinda kwanza meko saa 3:30 tukukainge.